Well, my really productive art day just went down the tubes. I'll tell you why. I have about 4 hours that I can do art on Thursdays. Today's a Thursday, you're seeing this on a Friday. So I was really excited because I could work on a painting in size 18 by 24, which you can't even see, it's so big, that I want to give as a Christmas present to my son, my 16-year-old. However, when I pulled this canvas out, it is completely warped. I don't even know if you guys can see that. You can kind of see it in the camera. It's such a big piece that it's hard to see, but the nearest art store to me is an hour that direction or an hour and 15 minutes that direction. That is the nearest place that I can buy another canvas, and that will take up my entire art time today. So that got scrapped. I'm thinking I might spray the back of this with water and put it under really heavy things and see if it just unwarps, because I don't really have the time to go to an art store. Not to mention, I'm kind of between vehicles right now because my husband bought me, it doesn't matter. But if you want to know that story, wait till the end. Since we can't go to the art store, or we're choosing not to go to the art store because I would have like 40 minutes left of art time. It doesn't feel like it's worth it. Like I would just get into the painting because it's so big in 40 minutes that I'm just not going to start it. We're going to do something else fun I am really excited about. So do you guys ever sign up for those online classes, whether it be Skillshare or Udemy or I don't know, anything through YouTube or their links? I have all the time, and I almost never ever work on those classes. So today I'm going to try out Joanna Basford's Inky Art School because I have my sketchbook. You guys have seen this in way too many videos lately. And I am going to open this up and go through her Inky Art School. I think she's got 4 days out, and I haven't done any of them, even though I signed up on time to get them on time. Yeah, I haven't done any of them. So we're going to go through days 1 through 4 of her Inky Art School, and I'm taking you along with me, so join me. Pull out your sketchbook. See what I see. She has these for free on her YouTube channel, which I will link in the description box below, and she has old ones too, which the old ones look awesome because the ones we're doing now are Christmas related, it seems like, and the old ones seem a little bit more varied. Hello again. The first one we are going to do is the Inky Day 1. So if you want to do this with me, grab your sketchbook. I have no idea what supplies we need. I'm hoping she'll tell us in the Inky Day 1 video. Get on to her YouTube channel. Again, remember I've linked that below. First thing we're going to do is watch that Day 1 video and do things. I don't know if we're supposed to do them as we go or watch the video and then do them or whatever, but go ahead and do that along with me and we'll see what kind of things we can create for Day 1, and then we'll move on to days 2 through 4. I'm very excited. I've never done this before. I always sign up for those classes and I never use them. I'm gonna use them this time for sure. Okay, I haven't actually started, but I did queue up her video, and what I think I will do is watch it all the way through. It's 15 minutes, 46 seconds, and then go back and do the activity with her, or however that works. I don't even know. I haven't watched the video through yet, but I'm going to do that first. By the way, she has a delightfully Scottish accent, which I absolutely adore. And let's get started.
Hello, and welcome along to Day 1 of Christmas Inky Art School, your free 5-day online learning course.
Okay, we've barely started again. I'm 1 minute and 42 seconds in, and I realize I kind of want to be drawing with her, but I don't know where she's going in her video yet because I haven't watched it all the way through. So what I did was I changed the speed on my computer to 1.5. Let me show you how that's done. So right here, the little gear icon, click that, and then the playback speed, I just did 1.5, so I can still understand her, but I can watch the video through the first time a lot more quickly, and then I'll watch it again in normal speed and draw with her. All right, I've watched it once all the way through. I have exchanged the pencil I had out, if you saw that, for this one, because this is a 0.5 and all the other ones are 0.7s. I got this in a subscription box. We got to get serious by tying our hair back out of the way and getting into it. I hope you're doing this with me because I feel better knowing I am not alone. I'm going to get rid of this keyboard. Actually, I don't need it here. Okay, keyboard all gone. Always nervous to draw every single time, no matter how many years I've done it. The good news is I heard outside that my son got his truck running, so that was easy, thankfully. All right. I'm procrastinating. I think I have it all erased. Here is mine. Now I used my Faber-Castell extra small because it looked very similar to a 02, and that's what she was using. However, I think it's too tiny, at least for this big of a wreath. I might go ahead and just use my fine, size fine. Now, things with Faber-Castell, and I knew this before going in, I didn't feel like the liner graying out would be a problem, but when you erase over the top of Faber-Castell, it does lighten it. So I knew it would gray it out a little bit, and like I said, I was prepared for that. Didn't think I would mind, and I think it would actually still look great if these lines were a little bit thicker. This took a while, though. How long did it take you guys? Did you do this with me? Anyway, I don't know. I'll do day 2, but I'm going to run out of time because that took a while. Anyway, I'll go ahead and do day 2 with you guys, and then we'll probably have to call it a day. Now, you notice there's like blue and stuff on my sketchbook. That's because this was on the other side, and I did spray this with a sealer. However, this was shut before I got it sealed, so a couple of times. No big deal. I'm still using it. And let's move on to day 2 and see what goodies we come up with here. There is Inky School Day 2, little snowman, so cute. And that one was super fast, so I actually do have time to do day 3. Hopefully you can do it with me. Let's get into day 3. Oh yeah. That was fun, and it was funny hearing her talk about how she was really hungry while she was doing the illustrations for this and the sweets page. That was kind of cute. So I am out of time. So here is a recap. The wreath, that one was very complicated, but actually she simplified it enough that it was doable. And I made a very large circle, so I'd probably do a smaller circle next time. Day 2, our cute little snowman. I loved her suggestion about putting that on Christmas cards because this one was very fast, the fastest of all 3 so far. So that was pretty awesome. And we could do this on watercolor paper, right? Because we love watercolor here on this channel, and color it in a bit. I think that would be really fun. So you'd have not only a unique drawing of yours, you would also have painting. And the cute little cake with the Christmas tree ornaments. This one didn't take too long either, so you could probably put this one on a card too, but this one I think would definitely look better all colored in. All right, my background is dark because I'm not resetting up the lights for this outro because I'm out of time. But I hope you enjoyed this. If you did this with me and you're on Instagram or something, maybe you could tag me in it so I could see yours. I would love to see what you guys came up with for these little inky drawings. I know she gave step-by-step instructions, and maybe all of ours will all look the same, but somehow I doubt that. And then she also did say that we could do our own takes on like the snowman. She said the snowman bunny and all of that, so that could be really fun, right? Maybe. There's a day posted already today that we did not get to, and that is the cute little stocking. Oh, I see it right there, and it's so cute, and I can't wait to get to that. And then day 5 is her last day of this particular Inky challenge, but remember on her YouTube channel, she has some of her old challenges posted there, so definitely go check that out. And this was fun. I really like this. This is something I could see that we could like take the coffee table family sketchbook, and while the family's watching some movie, my husband's been really into Dirty Harry lately, and we've been watching those, and I have a hard time sitting through 2 hours of movie. So grabbing that sketchbook and practicing these ones that we've already done, I think is definitely in my future. So I'm looking forward to that. If you enjoyed this kind of video, let me know in the comments below. I did, like I've told you, I've signed up for all of these online classes and I don't really get to them, but if I could share them with you, it would definitely give me a time frame and an excuse to go through the classes and get to them. So if you would like to see that on this channel and it wouldn't bore you, let me know that in the comments below as well. It would really help me out. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Miranda, and usually we do watercolor stuff on this channel and 2 art subscription boxes per month. We just got a little sidetracked today because my massive painting project got sidetracked. So subscribe down below if you want to see that, or go to my channel and check out my other videos, because you'll see right away. If you like what you see, you'll subscribe, and if not, then maybe I'll see you in a future video that interests you. Thanks so much for your time. I appreciate you existing subscribers. You guys are awesome. I love reading your comments below. It makes my day. And I will see you on Tuesday with palette fill packs, because that is supposed to show up tomorrow. And so I will be able to share that with you on Tuesday. I did do Vlogmas this year. However, I am stopping that today and going back to my regularly scheduled programming. That is Tuesdays and Fridays. So you can still catch my videos on Tuesdays and Fridays. And I have decided I will still upload a video on Christmas Day here in the US. That is a Friday. And so that's the day I usually upload. So I'll go ahead and upload on Christmas Day. Maybe you'll get bored with family and actually want to go watch my video. So I'll have that up there for you. Check out my videos Tuesdays and Fridays. But look at this calendar. Look how jam-packed full this is. Wow. So every time I thought of an idea, I just put it on here. So Vlogmas could have happened really, really, really easily. But this does mean, again, as usual, I will have lots of content for you on this channel, and I will never get bored. I don't know about you guys, but I could do Vlogmas forever if my life actually allowed for that. And apparently not run out of videos, which that makes me so relieved. I hope it makes you relieved. I'm always having ideas. So these are all brand new ideas, not even the list, a page and a half of ideas that I created before I started this channel. So look for Tuesday's video. It should be palette fill packs as long as it actually shows up when it's supposed to. And I will miss seeing you guys every day and talking to you in the comments. But presents need wrapped, the house needs cleaned. Yeah, it's scary. And some boxes from moving here 2 years ago still need unpacked, and I'm hoping to do that all before Christmas. Well, obviously the wrapping has to happen before Christmas, so I have things to do. And I'll see you on Tuesday. Bye. I just realized he's home from work and he might be able to hear me. His truck broke down, so he didn't make it to work. Anyway, okay, so here's the vehicle story. I've always had a truck and a car because I always have to pull really big trailers with the truck, and we load motorcycles and snowmobiles all the time, and it's just me most of the time. My husband joins us later, so I'm in charge of all of that. And then I had a car that I ran around town in and all of that, and I just got really tired of having two vehicles, dealing with their tires, oil change, insurance costs on two vehicles just for me, let alone the 3 boys in my family, my husband, all their toys. So anyway, whatever. My truck was getting old. It needs a fuel leak fixed, and I don't know. My husband and son just didn't want me to have that truck anymore, so they bought a 2-year newer truck, 2007. It came without a bed. The taillights are all messed up, so I can't drive it around. So it's licensed, it's insured, but without taillights, I really don't want to drive it around. I could if I absolutely had to, but so I still haven't sold my old truck, but I took the insurance off of it to put on the new truck. Anyway, you probably don't want to know all of this, so I don't really have a vehicle out there, and I've been kind of borrowing my son's car, but now that his truck broke down this morning, he kind of needs it. So, I'm not going to the art store. Long story short, I'm not. I ran out of breath. I can't talk that much. Okay. We're gonna get to it. Cat's gonna come and try and jump in my lap. You're gonna mess things up. Yep. Here's the cat in the lap. Hello, kitty. How cute are you? If you did this with me, there are 2 days. What else? If you're wondering what I have on my finger, it's my hair tie. I'll take that off now. Okay, I kicked my son out of the house for 5 minutes so I could finish this up. I was doing Vlogmas. Nope, that is the wrong way to say Vlogmas. Yeah, I'm finishing, no. So I did do Vlogmas this year. However, today is the last day that I will be doing that because... Dog, sit down. Thank you, dog.